Hello guys, this is Arshad from Technolily, and today in this video we are going to unbox the addlink SSD. This is the M.2 SSD. So I got this from Pak Dukan after a couple of days struggle. Finally I got this parcel. So without wasting time, let's go and unbox this and look what we got inside. So I will use this to unbox here this package. Okay, so this is basically a paper, hard paper. So inside we got this bubble plastic wrapped around it. So we will put this on the side. So let's go and also break this. Okay. So there is too much scotch tape around. It's for the safety. Okay. So we got this addlink 256GB. This is one of the fastest M.2 PCIe Gen 3x4 SSD. This is the S70 solid state drive SSD M.2. So I will be building my PC on this. It is one of the fastest SSD. As you can see here, the read speed is 3000 and the write speed is 1000, which is absolutely good, fantastic for my build. So it is a little bit cheaper than the Samsung SSD, but this is really a budget SSD. If you are looking for it, so you can buy it in a very good price, as you can see. So let's just open this box and see what we got inside. So as you can see, the seal is there. So it is a seal packed. Here is the front side of it. Solid state 256GB SSD from addlink. So a special thanks to Pak Dukan for providing me this SSD in Pakistan in a very reasonable price. Although the delivery was not good, but finally I got this because they didn't write my contact number on the parcel. So that's why the postman was unable to deliver it to me, because here in my town where my house is, there is no numbering. So let's just without wasting time, let's just go ahead and open this seal, break this seal. So as you can see, I broke this seal, and let's see what we got inside. Okay, so here box is the empty. We will put this on the side, and we got this one manual with it. You can see, you can read this later. And we got this M.2 SSD, as you can see here, from here and from here. It is one of the best cheap budget SSD, gaming SSD you can get currently in 2021. So yeah, let's just also open this and see what we got. So here is the M.2, as you can see. Here is the SSD. Okay guys, I hope you like this video. So please thumbs up and like and subscribe to my channel Technolily. Thanks for watching. See you next time.